Hey everybody, it's Mark. Welcome back to my truck. Let's go over some tools that we have in stock today. We're going to start off with this Mayhew tool. Part number is a 31014F. It's a pick set. Comes in a nice foam tray. Okay, in this thing you get some picks, some small pry bars. Some of them are bent. They got the nice hard handles. And what else you get? Some small screwdrivers, mini screwdrivers, and a couple little tiny Torx. And what else we got? Some Phillips heads. And each one in the set actually has the part number of each piece in case you lose one or you break one. It's really easy to get replaced. So that is from Mayhew. Okay, Mayhew makes a lot of really nice stuff. Cobra Tech knives. I don't know if any of you guys, a lot of distributors don't carry Cobra Tech knives. And I'll show you why. It all depends on what state you're in. I can only sell them as a collector item. But that's a Cobra Tech knife. And that is why, because it is a out the front knife. So Cobra Tech knives, really nice. Comes in a little plastic container with a belt hook, which in Jersey you can't carry it around. This is only for display only or collector item. So they're Cobra Tech knives. Look them up on the internet. Very nice knife. Can't really say nothing bad about them. Never have any problems with them. All right, let's move on to performance tools. Here is, well, here's the cover of it, and I'll show it to you in a second. It is a tap and, oh, got it upside down. It's a tap and die set. Okay. Now this one here, part number is a, oh geez, I don't know guys. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a W4001 DB. Part number. And let me move that. And here's the tool. Not a bad looking little tap and die set. What sizes we have in here? It looks like the largest one is it's a 1/2 by 20 pitch. And you got real small stuff in it, little tiny screwdrivers to set the set screw on the tools. And performance tools. And while we're on them, I'm going to show you their fan clutch set. Now, there it is there. Fan clutch set. I'll get you the number. It is a W80501 fan clutch. Wrench set, okay. And what sizes you get in there? A 7/8, a 1 7/8, a 2-inch, a 32, a 36, a 40, and a 47 millimeter. Now, I used to carry, actually I still do carry, let's see if we have it back here. The Lyle set. Okay. And the Lyle set looks exactly like the performance tools. One big difference is the price. If I'm not mistaken, there is probably about a $75 difference in price, with Lyle being more. Now, Lyle has never let me down. I hardly ever replace any of the parts in there. I just started to sell the performance tool one, so in the future I'll let you know how these are holding up, if guys are breaking them or not. But as of right now, the Lyle one is a great tool. Never, like I said, warranty level very low on this tool. All right, what else we got? We have something from Astro. You know how much I like my Astro. And this is a 1/2-inch drive, thin wall, lug socket set. I know a lot of you are like, okay, it's just a socket set, not a big deal. All right, and it's true, not a big deal. It's a thin wall. Okay, the nice part about this whole set is this is all half sizes. Okay, so you get a 17.5, a 19.5, a 21.5, and a 22.5 for like lugs that have swollen up a little bit and you just can't fit a 22 on there, or a 21. You got your half sizes, just a little bit bigger. Get it on there, get that lug off without having any problems of trying to chisel it off or whatever. So you just might need a half size socket set. And it is Astro 78204. There it is there. You know how I like my Astro. I did a whole video on that. If you want to go back in my history and take a look around, maybe I'll even link a card up here about Astro. So, Astro set there. All right, and while I'm at it, let's see if I can find the other set if I have one. There it is, Calvan. Yes, Calvan. Now, Calvan also makes, now these are not half sizes. These are just your normal lug nut sockets. Okay, part number on this is a 96110. But the difference with this set, I'm going to open it up for you. The difference with this set is it's a flip socket. So on one end you'll have your, we'll say your 21 millimeter. But on the other side, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's for getting lugs off that are slightly rounded off. Okay, so there's your normal size, and there is your removal size if your lug's screwed up and you have to, it's no longer rounded. I mean, if it's rounded off. So, and that's the Calvan, that they call it a 6-piece double flip socket set. And that also comes with the same sizes, I believe. 17, 19, 21, a 13/16 and a 7/8, I believe. 21, yeah, I said 21. Yep, so they're all in there. Nice set, also comes with an extension, which is nice to have where, well, this ain't a flip socket set, so it doesn't matter. You don't need a 2-inch extension in it. But that is from Calvan Tools. I just got these in. These are Astro. Again, these are, it's a 29-piece step or turbo step drill bits. Part number is a TS29. I don't know if you guys have ever used these drill bits, not just the Astro ones, any ones. I mean, a lot of the other trucks carry them. Okay. So they're really nice. This is my first set of Astro ones I got. I'm going to see how they hold up, but right now, out of all these step bits that I have seen and sold on my truck, the K-Tool ones have been far superior. I hardly ever warranty them. Guys really don't dull them out if they're using them correctly. So far the K-Tool ones are my favorite to sell. I'm going to see how these hold up. And if this is another good product, I will let you know in the long run. You gotta remember, guys, I don't use the tools every day. I just sell them. I go by if it's a good product or not. The way I determine if it's a good product is how often I warranty something. If I warranty something a lot, it's not a good product. It doesn't matter if it has a lifetime warranty. If you're breaking it every week, it doesn't matter, because you break it, gotta get another one. You break it, gotta get, it's an endless cycle. So that's how I determine if a tool is actually a good tool or not. We'll get one more. Let's see what we got. How about some Sunex? 7-piece spark plug socket set. These are not magnetic. Now, they have the rubber inserts. Let's see if I get you a short one. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a rubber insert in there. You know, a lot of guys like the magnetic ones. Some guys like the rubber inserts. Magnetic ones are nice, but as you start to use them in the environment and it starts to get little pieces of metal stuck in there, sooner or later the spark plug doesn't stick to it. It just falls right off. These, of course, being rubber, sooner or later they don't stick to it because they start to expand due to oils and stuff like that. So it's like it's a catch. I mean, you can either way, it really doesn't matter. To me, I've always used the rubber ones. I think if my career as a mechanic would have went on longer, I probably would have ended up with the magnetic ones. So that is a Sunex tool. Let me get you the part number. Sunex tool is 8845. 8845. Okay, and while I have this out, I'll give you some sizes. So in this size, you get a 13/16, a 5/8, and a 9/16. They're the long ones. And then down here you have some shorter ones. You get a 16 millimeter, a 9/16, a 5/8, and a 13/16. Guys, thanks for coming back to my truck. Thanks for checking some tools out. We'll see what else I can get on here for you guys to look at. Have a great day. I will talk to you later on.